Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Shaurya. So today we will start a new topic, and that is types of fraction. And before starting types of fraction, I will first tell you the definition of fraction in short form. And the definition of fraction is a part of whole. A part of whole, I am taking an example first of all, and that the example is pizza. So pizza. I have buy an pizza from a shop, and when I have opened it, and there is 4 pieces. So the pizza is 1, but there are 4 pieces. So it is called 1 by 4. 1 item, 4 pieces. I hope you have been understand the definition of fraction. So let's come to our topic, like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction are those fraction. Let's write first of all definition. Fraction with same denominator. So I will tell you what is denominator and numerator also. Denominator are those which is written in the down of a fraction, and a numerator is that who is written in the upper side of the fraction. So fraction with same denominator is like fraction. It is also very easy to understand, I hope. So I am taking an example, 2 by 9, 3 by 9. Denominator is down part. These both numbers are same, fraction with same denominator. So this is like fraction. So now next I am moving. The next is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. This statement opposite is unlike fraction. Means fraction with different denominator. Example, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. Denominator down part are different. So this is unlike fraction. Next fraction. The next fraction is unit fraction. Unit fraction tell us that a fraction with numerator 1. A fraction with one is called unit fraction. Example, numerator, a upper part, like 6 by 7 is unit fraction? No. 1 by 9 is unit fraction? Yes. This is not unit fraction, this is unit fraction. So next fraction I am moving. The next fraction is proper fraction. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction, I am writing a small definition. A fraction whose numerator is small and denominator is larger than numerator. Very easy. I am taking an example, and the example is 3 by 4. Proper fraction tell us that a fraction whose numerator is small and denominator is larger than numerator is called improper fraction. So here a numerator is small and denominator is larger than the numerator. It is proper fraction. Next fraction I am moving, and that is last fraction, improper fraction. Improper fraction, and that is a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is larger than its denominator or equal is called improper fraction. I am taking two examples, and that two examples are 5, 4 and 3, 2. So 5 is bigger than 4 and it is in numerator place. It is improper fraction. 3 and 2. 3 is bigger than 2 and it is in numerator place. It is also improper fraction. And a last is 5 and 7. This is proper fraction because in a denominator place there is 7. So friends, this is my today's video. If you understand this, please like, subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you.